My name is Sri Sumir Jaju. Today I am going to solve a question of section of solid. The question is, a cylinder 50 mm diameter and 60 mm long is resting on its base on the ground. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP, the VT of which cuts the axis at a point 40 mm from the base and makes an angle of 45 degree with the HP. Draw its front view, sectional top view and the true shape of the section. So first we will draw the reference line. So here it is given that the cylinder is resting on its base on the ground. So we should consider the axis perpendicular to the HP. So the circle will come in the HP. So we will draw the circle. So the diameter of the cylinder is given as 50 mm. So we have to draw the circle of diameter 50 mm. So now we have to divide the circle into 8 equal parts. So we will draw a line passing to the center. We will then convert it into the color 9. So now to divide the circle in 8 equal parts, we will use the polar array command. We will select the line, then select the midpoint. So here we want 8 equal parts, so we will select here, we will replace this 6 by 8, enter. So here we have got the 8 equal parts of the circle. So we will name the circle. So we will give the names A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we will give the names here 2 times because one is for the bottom and one is for the top of the cylinder. So P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W. Now we will take the projection of the circle. So here height is given as 60 mm. So we will take the length as 60 mm. So now the front view of the cylinder is completed. We will convert this projection line into the color line. Also the inner generators, we should convert it into the color line. Only the outlines of the cylinder should be thick outlines, other all generators should be of color line. Now we will give the names to the cylinder. A, B and H. Here will be C and G. Here will be D and F. Here will be E. Now we'll give to the top of the cylinder. Here will be P. Here will be Q and W. Here it will be R and V. Here it will be S and U, and here it will be T. So now we have drawn the top view and front view of the cylinder. So further in the question it is given that it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the VP, the VT of which cuts the axis at a point 40 mm from the base. So here it is given that the section plane is the section plane which is perpendicular to VP, that is the line view of the section plane will be in the VP, and the condition is given that it cuts the axis at 40 mm from the base and makes an angle of 45 degree. So first we will offset this line by 40 mm. Now we will draw a line of any length with an angle of 45 degree. So now we will extend the line. We will extend the line till this reference line. If you want, we can delete this line. It is of no need now. Now we will convert this section line into the phantom line. So if the phantom line is not visible, we should change its characteristic by going in the properties and changing the line type scale to phi. So now the line is visible. So now we will mark the points on the section line at which it is cutting the cylinder. So we will select the points. So it is cutting on AP. Here the section plane will be cutting 2 times, one on the QB and one on WH. Here it will also cut on 2 times, one at RC and one at GB. Here also the line will cut 2 times, one on SD and one time on UF. Here also the line will cut 2 times, one time on ST and once on the UT arc. So now we will name the points of intersection. So here 1, here will be 2, here will be 3, here will be 4, here will be 5 and 6, here again will be 7, here will be 8, here will be 9. So now as we can see, the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 are on the circumference of the cylinder. So here there is no need to take the projection. So we should take the projection of from phi and C because it is on the arc ST and UT. So we'll take the projection of 5 and 6. We'll convert this line into color 9. Now we'll mark the points 5 and 6. Now we will join the, we'll name here. So here will be 6 and here will be 5. Now we will join the points 5 and 6. So the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 9 are on the circumference of the cylinder. So here we are, so as we have to show the section, so we will now use the H command, H enter. Now with the help of pick points we will select the sections. So this will be the sectional top view of the section. So we have drawn the sectional front view and sectional top view. Now we have to draw the true shape of the section. So for to get the true shape of the section, what we can do is we can take this sectional line and make it parallel to the reference line, so that we will get the true shape of the section. So we have to select the section line with all the points. We should select all the points so that no point should be missed. Here it is important that we should select all the points. Now just copy this line. So now to make the line parallel to the reference line, just select whole and use the rotate command. So first select the base point, then R, enter. Now select any two points on the sectional line and rotate the line parallel to the reference line. Here we will select again, rotate R, enter. Select 2 points and 0. So now the line is parallel to the reference line. So to get the true shape, we will take the projection from this line and this sectional top view. Now we will take the projections. Here it is important that we take the projection from all the points. So now we will convert all this projection line into the color line. Now we will mark the points. So the line coming from 1 and A will be 1. The line coming from B and 2 will be 2. The line coming from 3 and C will be 3. The line coming from 4 and D will be 4. The line coming from 5 and 5 will be 5. The line coming from 6 and F will be 6. The line coming from F and 7 will be 7. The line coming from 8 and G will be 8. The line coming from H and 9 will be 9. So now we will name all the points. So here it will be 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So now first we will join the straight line, which is 5 and 6. So now to join the remaining point we will use the polyline command. We will join with the remaining point with the help of polyline, so that it is easy to use the hatch command. So we will join the point, and as it is a cylinder, we should modify it into the curve. So we'll use the p-edit command. Select the polyline, then F, enter. Now this is into the curve. So now we will hatch. Here we will use the select the boundary command in the hatch. So we will select the lines, this polyline and the straight line. So here we will get the true shape of the section. So this will be the true shape of the given section.